An Englishman, a German girl, and a boat get into a lift. I think that's probably the joke. We're at Anderton Boat Lift, and hopefully we're going to get some drone footage of this supposedly incredible structure. I've not seen it yet. We best go and find it. When are we getting drone footage of your horses?
What? See?
That could be a cool video. Just kicked one of the rails. Have a go at operating the 1875 hydraulic Anderton Boat Lift. Turn the handle, go on then, do the honours. Do it the other way. Doesn't look like you're doing anything, Isabel. That's interesting. They appear to be moving copious amounts of strange white powder. Look, there's a boat full of white powder there. Got the old game machines.
Yeah, but you can buy tokens and actually play them.
Alright. Anderton Boat Lift, first of its kind. What's Robert Pattinson doing? Yeah, there's a very cute little visitor centre where there's old ornaments and things from what I presume is around the time the boat lift was built and opened. Different materials and stuff. It's a fair bit windy. I don't know about the drone going up. What do you reckon? Too windy for the drone or worth risking it? So I assume amongst here there is some rose bay willow herb and some black knapweed. This is block number 2. I presume it's an area of different plants and herbs and things. Quite a cool little area. Shame there is a can of a strongbow, of course. But yeah, this would be quite a cool little place to hang out and do things that you're not supposed to do. I'm sure several people do. Sounded a bit weird. Might cut that bit out. Why does Izzy always bring me to these creepy places? Got to have one shot of you in every video sticking your middle finger up. I'll have to start time stamping it. Oh, there's people. Is it just me, or from this angle does that look like a dog howling? What do you reckon? Stick the drone up?
Not too bad for me.
Okay. Right, there you have it. That was a quick, brief video, just exploring the Anderton Boat Lift. It's under a bit of repair at the minute, so it's not working as a boat lift. Nice short video. I like making videos like that. But that's the end of this video, and we hopefully will have another video coming soon. Next week we're going to... what are you laughing at? Next week we're going to London. I'm going to see UFC 286 in London. On Thursday we're going to see Wicked at the West End, and then we're going to do some MMA stuff for me. Going to see a West End musical is to sweeten the deal for going to London. Other than that, that is the end of this video. Okay, bye. We've got to work on that one. Okay, so this week's shout out goes to Simon from Ferry. I understand Simon enjoys a particular moment in my Delamere Forest video. Maybe enjoys it a little bit too much, who knows. But yeah, my shout out goes to Simon this week. Hope you enjoyed that slightly shorter video than usual. Who we're going to shout out next week, who knows. Goodbye.